Hey everyone, welcome back to Systems for Creatives. Do you prefer to have complete control over your schedule without letting clients pick their own appointment time? If so, you're going to love today's video because I'm going to show you how to manually schedule appointments for your clients. Today, we're going to walk you through how to schedule appointments for your clients from inside their project in Dubsado. So this is different than how you might have used Dubsado in the past, where you send someone a link to look at your schedule and book an appointment. You're going to go right into the client's project and schedule the appointment on their behalf. So this is perfect for those of you who want to ensure that appointments align with your specific availability, or if you're managing a team, resources, or inventory that requires a little more coordination. Now, in case you've never been here before, I'm Amy Gould, a Dubsado systems strategist, and I've spent the last few years helping entrepreneurs work less, make more, and wow clients using Dubsado and HoneyBook. I created this channel to share my best tips and strategies so you can get the most out of your Dubsado account. Now, you may be wondering, why the heck would I be telling you to manually schedule appointments with clients? You know I'm all about automation. I absolutely love streamlining things, and my favorite use of the Dubsado scheduler is the one I just mentioned, where you send them the link and they pick an appointment time for themselves. But I know that some of you really need to be able to make that appointment yourself. This could be a home stager who needs to make sure that they're on the right side of town and not driving back and forth a bunch of times to manage different things that are going on during the day. Or event planners who might need to make sure meetings don't conflict with venue bookings or other commitments. Maybe a coach or consultant and you have to book a future appointment with the client and you'd rather just book that while you're on the call with them, rather than waiting for them to find the link and book it themselves. So all of these things are great uses for this. Let's jump on into Dubsado and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Check one. Okay, we're here inside my Dubsado account and I'm going to first of all look for the client that I'm working with. I'm going to click on my client and go into their project. So this is their project tab, and I'm going to click on appointments and then click over to pending. You can see there's one here that my workflow has added for me, but if your workflow didn't add one for you, you're just going to click schedule appointment, use existing scheduler template, and I'm going to choose client meeting. Then I'm going to click add. This is going to add the client meeting scheduler to my client. If I click on the box, not the button, I get all the settings for this scheduler. And the cool part is this can be only edited for this client. So other clients wouldn't see the change if you had other meeting links out. So let's say this client and I discussed having a 90-minute meeting. I can just hop in here and change that real quick, hit save, and get on with booking the appointment for the client. And then to do that, I'm just going to click open, and it's going to open up the scheduler exactly as my client would see it if I had sent it to them. And then you can see here, this scheduler is set for Eastern Standard Time. If my client is in another area, for instance, Mountain Time, I can click this drop down here, choose their time zone, and it's going to update all of these calendar appointments to their specific time zone. So let's say they told me that they're available Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. their time. I can select that time and I don't have to do any crazy mental math, which I don't know about you, but I am terrible at doing the whole time zone shuffle thing. So this is great for me. And then click submit and finish. The great thing is the client is going to get a confirmation email with the Zoom link and the appointment time and everything in it. They can add the appointment to their calendar and they're going to get reminder emails as long as you set all of that up in your scheduler. If your Google Calendar, your Apple Calendar, or anything like that is connected to your Dubsado account, when you're booking client appointments for them, Dubsado is going to only show you appointment times that are available for the client to book. So you're not going to risk accidentally double booking yourself, which I don't know about you, but I do that frequently. Recently, I was at the chiropractor and I said, oh yeah, this appointment would be great. Well, I left the appointment and then realized I had just double booked myself and had to call and reschedule. So note to self, always check the availability in your scheduler first, but thankfully, in this case, Dubsado does it for you and you don't have to worry about double booking yourself. One other really cool feature is now the Dubsado app, which is on your phone, allows you to book client appointments on behalf of a client when you're out seeing clients. You can hop right on your phone in the app and book a client appointment for them. So that's my quick and easy tip on how to schedule appointments for your clients inside of Dubsado. If you'd like my help setting up this type of system or any other efficiencies within your business, please feel free to book a discovery call with me. I would love to work with you. I have a VIP day where you can have me working in your systems for an entire day, or done for you Dubsado or HoneyBook setup. I'm more than happy to hop in and help you get your systems working well for you so you can focus on what you do the best, which is serving your clients. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more tips to help you work less, make more, and wow clients using Dubsado or HoneyBook, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. So to recap, manually scheduling appointments in Dubsado is a great way to maintain control over your calendar. By going into the client's project and using the scheduler feature, you can select the ideal time for your client and yourself, confirm the appointment, and have it synced across your calendar, all without needing to send them a booking link. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you prefer to manually schedule appointments for your clients, or do you send them a link and let them choose their own appointment time? Drop a note in the comments. If you have other topics that you'd love me to record a video about, please be sure to send an email or drop it in the comments, and you might find your suggestion in my next video.